It's at 8:41. I'm gonna go ahead and run 2 miles really quick. And the kids are still asleep. I just took Crew outside to potty. He eats at 9, so that gives me about 20 minutes to run 2 miles. And I'm pretty sure the kids are gonna wake up while I'm out here. So let's go. This mirror is so dirty from sweat. And I'm pretty sure it's from CJ sweating while running. Cause y'all know he be doing like 10 miles and stuff. So I already stretched a little bit. CJ says I don't stretch enough, but I did enough for me. I like to put the mirror right here so I could see myself and push myself to keep going. So that's what I'm about to do. Go ahead and run. Y'all, I used to work out with my mommy. I miss that. She held me accountable. So like every single day. If I lived at home, we could work out all the time. She probably gonna see this and get mad. Like, ain't nobody tell you to move up there. Alright, hold on. I'm trying to see if I can set this up so you guys can see me running for a little while. But I don't think that's gonna work. So let me go ahead and get this started. I did it, y'all. I did it. And the kids are still asleep, I think. I need to go check on them. It's really quiet. Y'all look. How long y'all been down here? Cam, you got some juice? Huh?
Yeah, juice.
You got juice? Boy, you look just like my daddy. Don't he, Nani? His hair look like granddaddy. He just need a beard. So, Nani, he won't crying for mommy to come get him? You just helped him come downstairs? Huh?
Yeah, I did.
Cam was holding your hand while y'all were asleep. Yeah, he was holding your hand. I don't know. Crew. Let mommy finish working out.
Oh, Cam said no.
Okay.
I'll eat all that candy.
Go eat, okay? Go eat, go eat, go eat.
Whoa. I'll eat, Mommy. I'll eat it.
What?
That candy.
Crew, go eat. Go eat, Crew. I got... Y'all.
Hi.
Cam said he want to vlog
Hi.
too. What are you gonna tell him?
Look up.
Don't touch it.
I said no. I said no.
You want to vlog?
Bye.
Okay.
Crow, look at me.
What are you gonna talk to him about?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know? What do you want to tell him?
No. Hi. Bye. No.
Huh?
No. Okay. No, no.
Your feet? You want them to look at your feet? Okay, he said my feet. Feet. Feet.
Lay down.
I don't think they want to see your feet. Leave it, Cam, to get down.
Maybe of that story. Hey guys, right now I'm about to go in the living room.
Crazy boy.
The TV is cut off. I'm sorry, it's a little dark in here. I'm about to sit there in the living room. So, is that better? Yeah.
He was biting Cam. Okay. Come here, Mama.
I got easy.
I just did Taylor's hair. And I trimmed her ends too.
Get out your mouth.
Oh my gosh. I cannot with Camden. Cam, put his toy down. Okay, so this is Taylor's hair, y'all. I straightened it and I did trim her ends. Turn around. Turn around. Slowly. Good job. The battery's about to die. I'm about to put her hair in a ponytail. Cam is so sleepy. But turn around, Taylor. Keep going. Okay, right there. Taylor. Like I said, I trimmed her ends. She still needs a little bit more off, just like me. But I'm just trimming it every 4 to 6 weeks as of right now. Turn around.
Guys, guess what? It's only long. Let me show you. Once you put in a ponytail.
You want to show them once you put in a ponytail?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing?
Half in a ponytail and half in a ponytail.
Half in a ponytail? Okay. Y'all, I am so tired. I've been chasing these kids around all day. CJ just took the kids out to get something to eat for dinner. And the house is nice and clean. The floors. So, last year sometime, was it last year? I think last year, I treated myself to like a cleaning service for the first time. I had never wanted that, but my life was getting so busy with like business and the kids and stuff and just being at home all day long. I wanted to like treat myself, and so it has become a regular thing. So about once a month we have a lady come in and like deep clean, and it feels so nice afterwards. So, and it's actually not expensive. So yeah, I'm so grateful that I get to do that for myself so I can enjoy my house like really clean before the kids mess it up. The kids are going to my parents' house tomorrow morning, so that's one less thing that I have to worry about. I moved this house. I'm ready for this house to go. So he was like, please don't throw my house away. This area is nice and clean. The kids were eating over there. Let me show you the dining room. The kitchen is nice and clean. CJ brought that home. This is trash. But yeah, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Minus the boxes I have to wrap this weekend. The bathroom is nice and clean. Okay, this is when you first come upstairs. She does the windowsills and everything. This is our room. Oh my goodness. Nice and clean. Our bathroom is nice and clean. Look. Nice and clean. Taylor's room. And then the back room. See if I can get back here before the camera dies. The back room is nice and clean too. In my office, look at those lines on the floor. Nice and clean. Camden's room is clean too. We have a box in there. I bought him a toy chest. I think I'm gonna put that together tonight because I don't have any calls or anything. So I'm gonna put that toy chest together for my baby. But yeah, and then I can get these toys out the floor. I'll probably do away with that because he's big now, and it's more so for like 18-month-olds. So yep.